Hello guys, and today we'll be storm chasing and teardown again. I got K's storm chasing vehicles, and I'm not one of those people who are like, like the Tiv twos and stuff. I'm one of those people who like a challenge, like a station wagon with the mezzanine. Plus, it's freaking game friendly. It's supposed to be in the game. And this is Tornado Alley Advanced Destruction by, I believe, Polygon. Hold on, I think I can remember this and being here. Yup. Yeah, it's fine. Tornado's gonna extinguish it. Anyways, let's just get to the tornado. And why not increase the wind speed a little bit? Oh God! Is that my? Oh no, that's not a cow. Oh no! Oh no! Oh. Big transformer! Our lives are getting destroyed. Oh God! Oh Lord! Hold on, I gotta paper paper. Hold on. Gotta get it out quick before it gets me. Get nothing and I'm just dead. Same old devil down. The power line's gonna fall on me. What's that? What's that? Big songs. I need to play it. Oh. Look away, cat, look away. There you go. We are going to intercept. We are going to intercept right here, boys. We are going to intercept. This mod, first of all, this mod is actually pretty nice because I can actually, spawn it in and it won't glitch that much. Oh boy. Oh boy. We're going to intercept. Macaroni! Ah, chicha. Oh no! Holy freaking moly! Is that a 4150? Or is it 450? I forgot. Wait, it's a 4 Super Duty. No, let's go down. No, let's go down. Yup. Yup. Power lines that never do you. Oh, no. Oh, cop car. There's a cop car right there. Right there. Right there. Why was I pointing me for the finger in real life? Okay, that is one monster of a tornado. How about and wider near? Holy moly! Nope, it's coming for me. Are you serious? I made it big just to see what happens. Stop it! I'm gonna reverse that. See ya. Never knew. Never knew. Oh, and I'm about to deploy right here. I'm gonna back her up, back her up, back her up. Go, go, back her up, quickly. I'll back it up, back her up, quickly. Go, 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 go. Oh! That is one beast. The water tower is very destroyed. Jesus Christ, everything. Oh! The car was like freaking shoot up and spit out, bro. Poor car. What the heck? Oh, it's gonna hit the windmills. Oh! Oh, goodness gracious. I was about to go and turn on follow and when I get to the freaking windmills, but no, freaking did it for me. Oh, the windmills are going down, bro. The windmills are gonna go down. The windmills are... Oh, dear. That is one monster. Excuse me, tornado. Come over here. I think I might have made a big, huge mistake, but it's fine. Hopefully. Drop it down. Drop it down. Drop it. Drop it down. 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 Quick, drop it down. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. We're deployed. We're down. We're in the ground. We're in the ground. Oh no, the windmill's gonna go down. Windmill's going down. Windmill's going down. Oh dear. Oh dear. Windmill is going down. We're about to go down, I think. Actually, up actually. That roar, oh my god. Oh no, Mama Mia, Mama Mia, well, lesson learned. All intercept vehicles have a threshold. Unlike in my game, because I want freaking more variety of vehicles except for freaking kids freaking choosing the TIV 2. Oh dear.
Was it? I only gave scroll. That was so funny. You need to give a scroll to that guy.
He's down. Hold on, let me just get a freaking. Look at the better! Yeah, my friend! I couldn't care less about the freaking tornado. Vamos. Wonderful. Mwah. Let's check out the damage. Had to check if it's recording. Or capybara. Was that even one little thing? Plus, the tornado was supposed to make the power lines go like this. Not so you can fling them around. Last time I checked, a house is not supposed to be. What? Hold on. The house. How the heck? Welcome back. Ah! That went off. Hold on. Oh, that's nice. Wait, no!